Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I've just picked up the Honor X7, so I'll be doing an unboxing of this device. This device is an entry-level device, so if you're on a low budget and you don't have much money to spend but you're looking for a decent phone that can pretty much do everything, this is definitely one on the market to consider. So this phone, I paid £160 for it from Argos UK. So yeah, I'm just going to run through some of the specs real quick because there's no specs on the box. The box is pretty much simple. Just says Honor X7 there, and it shows a picture of the front and the back of the device. Honor X7 there again, and that's it. So there's no specifications on the box. So I'm just going to run through the specifications real quick. So it has a 6.74 inch display at 720p. It has a 48 megapixel camera on the back that can record 1080p videos. It also has the Snapdragon 684G processor with 4 gigs of RAM that can be boosted to 6 gigs of RAM. So basically it's going to add another 2 gigs of RAM when needed. It also has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It also supports dual SIM. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate IPS LCD display. So that's cool. It's also running Android 11 Magic UI 4.2. It has memory card support up to 500 gigs. It also has 128 gigabytes internal storage. And it has a fingerprint scanner on the side. So yeah, we're just going to unbox it real quick and then take a look, give you all a better look. So let's just cut the seal. So let's just see what comes in the box. So the phone is on top and it comes in this nice little plastic sleeve. SIM ejector tool. And this must be the instruction manual. And the charger. And the charging cable. So this phone, it has super fast charge, 25.5 watt supercharge. So it'll charge the phone pretty quick. So that's it. There's nothing else in the box. I've seen some unboxing videos where people get a case. I'm not sure why I don't have a case in the box. I've also seen other videos where people get a headphone, some earbuds, sorry. But this is all we get here in the UK. The phone and the charger. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, so it has a glass display on the front. On the back, it's plastic. But I must say, it does look good. And this is the titanium silver color. So this is the 48 megapixel camera, the main camera here on the back. And it has a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera there. And it has a 2 megapixel macro camera and another 2 megapixel camera and the flash. Here on the right hand side, the volume rocker up and down. And also this is the fingerprint reader. And here on the left, there's nothing, it's clean. Nothing on the left. Up here at the top, the SIM card tray and the noise cancellation. Underneath, it has the 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, speaker grill, and the USB port. And this is the front-facing selfie camera, which is 8 megapixels. So let's see if there's any juice and power it on. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the setup process. Okay, so I'll just connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, so let's just skip all of this. Okay, so let's just choose the Google search. Okay, so the setup process is finished. And I'm just going to go into About Phone. So Magic UI version 4.2, Android version 11. Hopefully this device will get updated to Android 12. Let's have a look at the applications. See if we have an FM radio. Okay, so that's cool. We've got an FM radio, which is always good to have. And the 90 Hertz refresh rate, you can definitely feel it. It's nice and smooth. Yeah, guys, this is a really cool phone for the price. Stay tuned. I will be doing some more videos on this. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Let me know if you're thinking about getting this phone. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. I'm going to try and also root this if I can, if it's possible. So yeah, just stay tuned. There'll be quite a few videos coming out. So stay tuned, guys. Anyway, I'm out. Doses.